Ohayou gozaimasu! We tried Fruit Hikari Cafe in Osaka as recommended by Mika-san. Few kilometers lang ito from Shinsaibashi where we stay. We walk around 2 kilometers. Na-curious din talaga ako at ang ganda ng presentation nila. Mukhang masarap. Sobrang posh ng cafe and clean looking. They only accept online payments ha, kaya prepare your credit cards, e-wallets, or IC cards. We also met with my baby brother in Christ here, kaya mas masarap ang bonding at ang kainan. We ordered the Strawberry Mountain Climbing Parfait. May 3 sizes to, small, Mount Fuji, and Mount Everest. Since nasa Japan tayo, we chose Mount Fuji. Appealing yung Mount Everest pero baka hindi na natin maubos. This is priced at 4,800 yen, around 2,000 pesos. I also ordered hot tea and nag-order din kami ng French strawberry toast at 2,800 pesos. I mean, yen. Kala nga namin hindi na namin ito mauubos pero surprise, naubos namin at nag-enjoy kami. Rosie approved. May kamahalan siya pero for sharing naman at ang dami din ng strawberries and may vanilla ice cream pa sa ilalim. Kaya pag napadaan kayo sa Awajimachi area, Osaka, try nyo rin. Ayun lang. Bye!